Got your online business ready, but no one's seeing it? Building a great product is only half the battle. In today's dynamic digital economy, understanding how to market an online business for beginners is the absolute game changer for attracting your first customers and bringing in revenue. Many new entrepreneurs stumble here, leaving their hard work undiscovered. Let's make sure that's not you. The digital marketing world is constantly evolving. Recent trends show that AI in marketing is rapidly enhancing personalization and automation, while short-form video content on platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts continues its massive growth. Reports indicate that small businesses are increasing their digital marketing investments, seeing significant returns in visibility and customer engagement. This is the reality of effective online business marketing right now. So, how do you market an online business for beginners to tap into these powerful trends and truly get noticed? First, you need to deeply understand your ideal customer. Go beyond basic demographics. What are their real pain points? What do they aspire to? Where exactly do they hang out online? This clarity guides every single marketing decision you make, from your message to where you post it. It's the bedrock for any online business marketing strategy. Next, don't try to be everywhere at once. For beginners, trying to conquer every platform leads to burnout. Focus on mastering just one or two marketing channels where your ideal customer spends most of their time. If your audience prefers quick visual content, dive into social media marketing with short-form videos. If they seek in-depth information, lean into content marketing with a blog, optimizing it for SEO, search engine optimization. Always remember, email marketing remains crucial for direct communication. Use a valuable freebie to build your list. If you're a complete beginner looking to deeply understand the psychology and tactics behind effective sales and marketing, you absolutely need to explore the ebook How to Sell Anything to Anybody, Become a Lion of Marketing by Jasper Capriz. It provides foundational strategies essential for any online venture. Find the link to grab your copy in the description below. Ready to turn those clicks into customers and truly amplify your digital presence? Then what's the next step to master your online business marketing? Another crucial step is to create high-value, problem-solving content. Whether it's a quick video, a helpful social media post, or a blog article, your content should always aim to offer genuine value or solve a specific problem for your audience. This approach builds trust and positions you as an expert. Remember, effective digital marketing for small business is about providing solutions, not just making sales pitches. Also, leverage the power of community and collaboration. Actively participate in online communities where your target audience congregates. Offer help and insights without directly selling. This builds your reputation. Consider collaborating with complementary businesses or micro-influencers in your niche. Joint projects or shout-outs can significantly expand your reach to new, relevant audiences, which is a smart online business promotion strategy. Finally, always analyze and adapt your efforts. Successful online business marketing isn't a one-time task, but an ongoing cycle. Use free analytics tools to see what content performs best, where your customers are coming from, and what they're searching for. This data is invaluable for refining your approach, optimizing your campaigns, and continuously improving your overall online business marketing strategy. You have the power to master how to market an online business for beginners and achieve real results. Don't just build it, truly market it. Subscribe for more essential guides to help your online business thrive.